Smoke Detector 5000.
Hey, are you tired of spending money on packs of cigarettes and you just can't stop smoking? The Smoke Detector 5000 is right for you.
Highest in engineering technology. The Smoke Detector 5000.
Hi, I'm Tony and I represent Smoke Detector 5000. I'm going to show you the story of a young man who had his life changed by the Smoke Detector 5000.
Smoke Detector 5000 changed my life. I have a girlfriend now, and I still live at home with Mom. The girls love it when I don't smell like tobacco.
Hey, are you still watching this commercial? Here's how it works.
Man, I need a cigarette. Oh no, it's the crazy lady with the bucket of water! Oh!
After the incident with the crazy lady in the bucket of water, 3 months later, I haven't picked up a single cigarette. Now, I feel better, more energized, and I'm saving money. I'm happy.
Can you believe that, folks? Just 3 months later, you can see the results. Order now to purchase your Smoke Detector 5000 for $29.99 and an additional $9.99 a month fee for service. And wait, call in the next 2 minutes and you get a free ringtone.